Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox fail to find process. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox fail to find process, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page, you will search about this window of Roblox and you click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and then you can turn on your airplane mode, and then you can fix your problem on the application of Roblox. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.